but I was able to turn about 30,000 into like 8.5 million now, and that's all.
Sorry, I laughed about that. It wasn't a laugh. That was more like a celebration laugh.
You know, Mike's probably a better teacher than I am because he's very passionate about it. He's very into it. He takes it slow and he shows you how you can really turn.
He's lying.
A few $100s into a few 100,000, and I would say it's a lot harder to learn from me, from somebody who's trying to, you know, push huge size and who's trying to make the most. That's what I've been able to do, and it wasn't overnight either. Like, I've taken more trades than them, and they've been in the game for twice as long as me. I've taken about 5,000 trades.
Oh wow!
So
that's good to hear.
Yeah.
What about losses? How many losses you got?
I have a bunch of losses. I probably have like 2,000 losses. I think my win percent is around 64, 65%. Yeah, so that's really what you got to focus on. You got to focus on winning about 2/3 of the time and focus your risk to reward ratio around losing $100 and trying to make 300, trying to make 3 to 1 on your money and trying to win 2/3 of your trades. And that's kind of the process that I stuck to. And that's how my stats work themselves out. Even when the market was really hot, I was winning like 10 times the amount that I was losing. And I had like a 10.0 profit factor, but it always works itself out. Like in a slow market, your stats are going to look worse, and in a hot market, your stats are going to look better. But it's always going to find that mean of like what trading really is. And I think really the best that you can do is like 75 win percent, and maybe you win 4x, 5x the amount that you do if you don't have a lot of mistakes. But I would say that's about the best that you can do. So, you know, I still am working every day trying to get better. And just recently I found a lot of passion for trading again. I kind of fell off a little bit when I was in November. I had like a bad loss, and I was just getting sick of trading. So I took like a few months off in the summer, and in the winter I just kind of really lost my passion. But I would say in the last like few weeks, like I've really found this like fire in my eyes again to do well. And I've had a good few weeks here, and it's just because I feel like I have the passion to get up again. And when I get up again, like I'm excited to go like check the market and trade again. Whereas like a few months ago, like I was like, trading like this and that. So you're going to go through cycles. It's just all about like knowing yourself, right? So if you're in a bad mental state, like you don't want to be, you know, pressing yourself to push size. Like you want to be taking it easy, just relaxing, like taking a couple trades, like trying to build that motivation, build that discipline, and all of these things that you need to be really profitable back up. And then once like you really feel it, like that's when it's time to go for it, when the market's hot. And that's when I make the majority of my profits. Like a big stat that stuck with me was you make 80% of your money with 20% of your trades.